Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my course on quantum computing, and thank you very much for your attention, time, and interest in quantum computing. My name is Sachin Kumar. I'm currently working with Capgemini UK. I'm an author. So far, I have written three books, which you can find on Amazon. I love to write and share my knowledge. This course is about quantum computing because my 2021 goal is to learn and apply my knowledge on quantum computing. So I'm happy to show you what you are going to learn as part of learning journey along with me. And if you want to know more about my experience, my interests, then you can always visit my LinkedIn profile. So let's jump on to the course content which we are going to learn next week. I have also created a channel on Discord. You can join that channel. You can raise your questions. We can do a discussion. I want to make this session more interactive rather than I'm speaking and you are listening. So do join the Discord channel so that we can really make this learning a wonderful learning. So in week one, we are going to learn about classical computing. So how a classical computer works, how it processes the information in terms of 0, 1, which we call as bits. We will learn about quantum computing, how quantum computing is different from classical computing, and what is the concept of qubits. We will also learn about two important terminology which is related to quantum computing. One is superposition and second is entanglement, which was also referred by Einstein as spooky action at a distance. And then we will also see an algorithm of traversing a maze, how a classical computer will traverse that maze, how much time it will take to traverse that maze, and how a quantum computer can traverse that maze, and how quickly a quantum computer algorithm can traverse that maze. And finally, in this week, we will also see the scalability between classical computing and quantum computing, and that's where you will understand the power of quantum computing. There are some prerequisites, so I will also recommend if you have got time, so you can revise your high school maths. But don't worry if you are not able to revise your high school maths, then during this course I am also going to touch base on the fundamentals around Boolean algebra, cryptography, probability, statistics, complex numbers, linear algebra, and matrices, which are required to understand the various algorithms of quantum computing. And of course, one very important prerequisite is you should have a passion to learn and you should be able to devote time for this course. And also, you should engage yourself in the Discord channel because we want to make this session more interactive because by that I will also learn something from you people. So here is my Discord channel. So I will also, you can directly join this channel or you can post your email in the comment section where I'm posting this video. Um, and last thing which I want to ask you is two things basically. So what is your expectation from this course? So you can put in the channel discussion box. And the second question is you have to give me one reason why you want to learn quantum computing. Alright friends, so with this I will see you next week. So let's start our learning. and do not forget to join the channel because I will be posting all the training materials on the channel. So thank you and have a nice day.